We have like a full voice module.
Yeah.
It's close to the architecture of synths.
Oh.
Single voice.
Nice.
You have one module, single voice, very close to what synths has. So you have one oscillator which has sawtooth, square, sub, and noise. You have a wave shape between sawtooth, sub, and sawtooth, and the square wave. Have a pulse width for the square wave, and you have a separate control for the noise level.
Okay.
You have a low pass filter, resonant one at 24 dB.
Yes.
You have a high pass filter in parallel. You have two envelopes, one for the VCA, one for the filter, which also the envelope filter can be applied to the pitch and to the pulse width.
Okay.
They can create that kind of brass sound.
And each one is one voice.
Completely different, yeah.
Okay.
It's one voice.
Yeah.
One module, one voice.
Okay, yeah.
The interesting parts comes to the point that each one of them has its own presets, so you can save presets up to 16 presets. And the very interesting thing is that you can chain them together.
Oh, okay.
So you can have each one independently playing to its own channel.
And you can have like 8 voices if you want to. Yeah.
You can go up to 8. Now we have 6 here.
Yeah.
Because we're going to make it like as a kit.
Yeah.
That's why we also implement.
So this is going to come as a kit.
Yeah. It's going to be the case, the 6 modules, and the mixer.
Wow.
Have a mixer also made for this one, which is basically 6-channel stereo mixer. So you have the left inputs and the right inputs. And what you can do, you have like a spread slider here, spread control, which what it does, like when you are at the minimum position, at the 0 position, what you have left is going left, and what you have plugged in the right channel goes to the right channel. And here, what you can do is like make them mono, so all of the 6 ones are in both speakers, and then you can invert them. So the left can go to the right, and vice versa. And the interesting part comes to the point that...
Is this module, does it exist already, or is that new?
No, it's a new one.
That's a new one as well.
So it's like, these 2 modules came now, it's like to combine one to the other, but it's going to be like, you can buy them separately, or you can buy them in the kit, with the case and everything.
Wow.
You have a dedicated LFO on that, so you can create some kind of movement, like the old school Leslie speaker, which was like moving around. So cool. On top of that, you have a master level, which is not something interesting and classic, and then you have some effects. You have 4 types of effects.
Effects in that, okay.
You have 4 types of effects, which you switch with this one. The side from 1 to 3, 4. Then you have the amount, so it's the level of the effect. And then you have one control for each effect. Okay. So you can just play around with it.
And I have a question. How do I switch the presets on the module?
So, the general idea of how this works, the level works, is like you have 2 main buttons and 4 indication LEDs. Okay. So, when you are on the very top LED, the red LED, you are controlling the LFO. Okay. And also you have like the left button is on, so this page is interactive now. Okay. So you are on the LFO and you have like this line, so the first slider controls the rate of the LFO, the second the wave, the third the pitch amount, and the fourth the LFO amount. The cutoff amount. Okay. Then you go to the next page by pressing it, and now you are to the VCO page. Okay. So you have the pitch of the VCO, which is 1 octave down and 1 octave up. You have the wave of the VCO, the pulse width, and the noise level. The next one is like the filter, low pass, high pass, resonance, envelope. And then you have the control of the envelopes.
Can we hear?
Sure. Let's use it. Let's put a pad for now. So the presets are on the other side. So you have like save, load, you have a CV in, which I will explain later, and CCs. So now I'm at the load page, and I'm going to the first slider, you control the band. So now we're back to preset 1. I'm pressing it to load it.
That sounds a little bit like this. Yeah.
How's the sound? The stereo field.
So I have another question too.
Yeah.
When you're switching like the presets, is there a way to like
change them?
Or like switch them all at the same time.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Okay.
The way we implemented that is
Yeah.
like you can. So when you're on the right page, like the settings page, let's say, you press both buttons, and now you're on the chain page.
Oh.
So what you
okay.
do is like press once. Now
Yeah.
they're all in unison.
Holy
Pressing
shit.
once again, this
Yeah.
light flashes to indicate that it goes in the chain.
Okay.
Then I'm pressing again, 3, both of them
okay, yeah.
flashing, 4, 5, and
And
6.
that can happen up to 8.
Yeah, and you
Okay.
can go up to 8. So what you can do here, like I want to load the preset.
Yeah.
So this is working now as the master.
Okay.
So all my controls here are being sent via CC
Yeah.
to each module.
Okay.
And now that I'm in a chain,
Yeah.
the master let them know that you're in my chain and you force your CCs on so you could listen what I'm doing here.
Yeah, yeah.
So now, for example, let's load an initial patch to show you what I'm doing. Let's remove also the movement.
Yeah.
So you can hear it's like left and right.
Uh-huh.
So what you do here, for example, I'm going to do the filter. And I'm controlling the filter from all of them.
Yeah.
And on top of that, you can do like, okay, I'm having this one now. You can see that the lights become more bright when the module is active. So you can see like have these 3 nodes. So I'm controlling all of them together, but for example, I want this to be a bit different. And I'm controlling only this one. And then I want to control this one. You can do a lot of crazy stuff.
This is something really unique.
For example, listen.